Hey everybody, it's Donnie again from our design center here at Energy Swing Windows in Monroeville. And I wanted to show you something really important about interior trim, because when all of our consultants visit our potential customers' homes, a lot of people have a misconception that the wood trim needs to be replaced. That's not true. Most people want to keep their wood trim so that it can match the crown molding, the baseboards, the trim around the doors, any kind of wood chair rails. They want it to all match. But they're fearful of getting new windows because they're afraid, oh, I have to rip all this trim out. Sometimes you do. At Energy Swing, using our trained employee installers to do this, guess what? You don't have to do that, which is a huge feature because those guys are trained, and you can check out pictures, stop down here and see at our design center and see how the windows can be removed without damaging the woodwork and keeping it intact. We can replace the woodwork, and if we do, we actually stain it or paint it for you if you would like. But again, you don't have to do that. Most companies, just so you know, you have to hire a painter, or they give you a business card and say, here, I know a painter that you can hire, that you can have come out and stain or paint this. We would handle all that for you. But back to the main topic, I wanted to make sure that you knew you don't have to replace all your woodwork. And you can get the window in, you can get a white window, you can get a tan window, you can get a wood grain window that comes pretty doggone close, or you can get a true wood window that we can match almost perfectly to what you have. So stop on down, like I said, to our design center, check out our beautiful woodwork, or the woodwork you don't have to replace, and thank you very much.